Hello, I'm going to talk to you today about how you can use parallel structure in your sentences. This kind of structure, also known as parallelism, comes from paying attention to the pattern that parts of a sentence make as they work together. When those parts demonstrate a parallel relation, a reader can easily follow the line of meaning a sentence makes. To see what I mean by this, let's take a look at a sentence that does not use parallel structure. Last summer, I went fishing, hiking, and enjoyed dancing every night. Now, as we read this sentence, we want I went to control the sentence's three actions: fishing, hiking, and dancing. However, the sentence won't let us read it this way. It breaks the pattern by adding enjoyed. This interruption in the pattern interrupts our understanding of the sentence. We want to make a pattern, but the sentence won't cooperate and insists on breaking that pattern. With this in mind, let's look at some ways to reestablish the pattern and create a more parallel structure. Most apparently, we can probably eliminate that extra verb that breaks the pattern, so that we get, last summer I went fishing, hiking, and dancing every night. That seems easier to read because the new pattern lets I went control the sentence's three actions. But it doesn't seem quite accurate because, based on what I know about the real world, I probably don't go fishing every night. So instead, we might keep the extra verb and add a subject so that we can make it part of its own clause. Something like, last summer I went fishing and hiking, and I enjoyed dancing every night. Notice how I changed the list of I went verbs to just the two items of fishing and hiking. By doing this, and by adding the subject I can let enjoyed control its own verb. By changing the sentence in this way, I've made two verbs that parallel each other. I hope this example will help you practice parallelism in your work. This way of creating and maintaining patterns in your sentences will help your reader move with smoothness and ease toward the meaning you want to communicate. And every time you give your reader an easier job, you give yourself an easier job, and both of you a better chance at making the communication that you both want to happen. As always, thank you for your time and attention.